What's a four-wheel drive? Can you guess? And it's made by 2004. Have a guess. Have a guess. I think I'll link on the two spots and you guys can guess. Okay? And once you guess right, give a comment. Okay? I want to know your answers. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I'm going to really reveal the Toyota GT4. Braking is so good, huh? This is a 2004 Caldina GT4. So it's pretty much, it's a baby version of the old GT4 Celica. It's got the same engine, four-wheel drive. I got the works wheels and I did a bit of groom. So this is the GT4 interior. So stock, everything's stock, nothing been changed. That seat I need to repair, but the passenger side is very good nick. Carpet is on there. Interior needs a little bit of groom. All the door are really good condition. So I'm going to change that. I got the spare one at the back. Man, got a real good price for that at the pickup part. The engine looks pretty tidy. The engine block looks pretty tidy, but never buy a water, okay? Like the coolant shouldn't be water. You need to change that, okay? If you continue drive with the water, the head gasket will be gone and you will run in big trouble, okay? So the oil is pretty black. I need to change that. So as you can see, the oil is quite black. I need to change that. This will be the service. So you see the air filter, this one, right? We need to change that. The air filter is actually quite dirty. There's three clips. So one is beside this battery. There's a clip there. And here, two outside here. You can see that one and that one. Okay. Once that's done, lift it up, and the air filter is free. Okay. So basically, you lift this up. Look at that. It's black, right? We need to change that. And the thermostat sensor. It's here. Tuck this away. Brand new one. You don't have to buy the Ryco ones. Pro Select. These are pretty good. Just don't need to buy the expensive brand unless you're going for the K&N. Actually make the performance better because it's extra breathing, and yeah, it'll make it run a bit richer, but yeah. So basically put this back on. Just make sure nothing's in the way. And then once when you clip it back, make sure you do the bottom one first, or either vice versa. You can do the front and the back. So that's done. That's one thing done. I'll find out in the Google, see where is the air force sensor. We do need to clean that. So we need to take the intercooler off. So we need to take these 4 bolts out, take off all these hoses on the side here and the top there. Okay, we need to take that out, and yeah, we'll go from there, eh? Oh, that's pretty hot. Yeah, so stay tuned. Got these seats, man, from Pick Apart. Didn't realize they have them, and I have to fix that, put it back together, and yeah, give it a groom and put it back on the back seat. Lucky me, finally found that seat. And then all I need is that driver's side to get repaired and look like new. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. So I'll do the service maybe tomorrow or sometime today. I'm not exactly sure when, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.